Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a new address inside the Temu app. This works for both iOS and Android device users. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just get straight into it. Alright guys, click on open your Temu app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in by clicking on the U tab down below. So go ahead and click on U. And now on this page here, you'll see a tab called addresses. Go ahead and click into that. And as you can see, I don't have any shipping addresses saved. So if I want to go and add a new address, I can simply go and click on add new. So I want to fill out this form here from your country, region, first name, last name, your phone number, and then click on I agree to receive marketing messages from Temu. You can have that checked or unchecked and then click on save. So I want to quickly fill this out and get back to you. Alright, as you can see, I've filled out this form, and then once you've done that, go ahead and click on save. This is going to save your shipping address inside the Temu app, and there it is there. So this is just for demonstration purposes, just a random address in Adelaide. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. And if you need to delete or edit this address, just simply click on delete or edit if you made any mistakes. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.